Simplicity tends to work best in many areas of life, and this BMW 316i caters to buyers who want the Bavarian bare necessities without the frills.
Surf4cars.
We last saw the BMW 316i moniker in the middle of the 1990s with the E36 Generation 3 series that many South Africans know affectionately as the dolphin shape. Now, the 1 Series might serve as the entry point into the BMW range, but if you still want those virtues of practicality and roominess, then this is your answer. Behind the wheel, it's a BMW, so you know what to expect. A very driver-centric layout, and it's really quite poised. There's an assuring sharpness about the way it brakes and changes direction. Now, our favorite part of this car is surprisingly the engine. Yes, I know 100 kilowatts doesn't sound like much in a car of this size, but this 8-speed semi-automatic transmission employed here does a good job of putting that power down effectively and smoothly. It's really effusive, and if you're a person like myself who likes to keep within the speed limits, it's more than enough power. And you're also going to score at the fuel pumps, because even when you are driving with exuberance in sport mode, the worst you'll do is about 11 liters per 100 kilometers. If you are a little embarrassed about this car's status as the Economy 3 Series, don't worry, because you can delete 316i from the boot lid, and you can also have it with one of BMW's optional lines, Modern, Luxury or Sport. So go for that and the neighbors wouldn't suspect a thing. Pricing is reasonable as well, provided you don't go too mad with the options list. You'll pay just over 340,000 Rand to take one of these home, and at the moment BMW is offering some really enticing financial deals on the 316i, so be sure to check out some of the advertising BMW dealerships on our website. The BMW 316i is a well-balanced package. It's a good car with a good engine in a body format that we all know and like. Simple as that. Thank you for joining us on another Surf4cars review. Feel free to get social with us on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter, or click here to check out some of our other videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel over here. If you want more information on this BMW 316i, check out the description below, where there's a link to the full assessment on the Surf4cars website. Until next time, drive safe.
Surf4cars.